Hello everyone, welcome to MACAU'S Garden. Today we're gonna explore this amazing place.
係啦，咁我哋第一站就係呢個東方基金會啦。200年前，佢係一個商人嘅私人別墅。依家咧就公開俾大家去參觀下。
So let's explore.
Let's go.
So now we're in the inner streets of Macau. This street is one of the oldest streets in Macau. Back in the day, it used to be super busy, and even till today, you still have the same shops, like the tea shop and the dried seafood shop, and this place is truly unique.
10月初5街嘅建築仲保留住佢之前嗰個樣貌，一嚟到呢度真係可以諗起、回憶返當時繁榮嘅景象。我哋後面就係康公廟，係一個好有傳統特色嘅中式廟宇。
So we're inside the temple right now, and as you can see, it's really peaceful in here. There's so many statues and paintings on the doors. It's all just so spiritual. Really makes a person really calm. So now we're gonna head to our final location.
係啦，我哋而家經過緊係呢個蘭桂樓，呢條街通過花生之後，就成為咗文創區域。
Yeah, all the colorful buildings you see next to us is just amazing. It's such a good opportunity to take so many amazing photos.
呢個舊同新嘅組合，令到澳門有一個新嘅旅遊元素。
Let's go.
Let's go.好啦，咁喺我哋嘅後面就可以見到我哋今日最後一個地點大三巴。
This street is full of love, and on the weekends, couples come here to take amazing photos of each other, and also married couples come here to take their wedding photos. And honestly, being in this atmosphere, I'm in love.
冇錯啦，因為叫做戀愛巷。
Let's take some photos, Joanna?
Let's go.
Hello everyone, so we're at the final location, the St. Paul Ruins. This is the most iconic location in Macau. It is full of history and culture.
係啦，我哋今日就帶咗你哋去咁多靚嘅影相地點，咁下次你哋去到都知道點樣去影啦。
And we taught you how to take photos in different styles, so I hope you follow. See you in Macau!